Do you ever feel like making life-changing money from coaching is just a fantasy? Well, it's not. You don't need $10,000 months. You just need about 7 clients to make it a reality for you. Stick with me here. I'm going to break this down for you step by step. You'll see exactly how just 7 clients can completely change your financial life. Even if up until now, you've only ever coached for free. And if you want a shortcut, I put together a free guide for you. It's called the 7 Clients in 7 Weeks Plan. And it lays out exactly how to get your first paying clients without overthinking it. If you want it, drop me a line below. By the way, I'm Chris. Over the last decade, I've personally enrolled over 400 coaching clients, and I've led over 10,000 paid coaching sessions. Now, I help coaches cut through the noise and use no-nonsense strategies to get clients and start making money fast. Here's what I hear from coaches all the time. I just can't imagine actually making money coaching. I've been doing it for free for so long. And maybe that's where you are right now. Coaching comes naturally to you, but the idea of actually charging for it, that maybe even feels impossible. Maybe you've been charging way too little, hoping that if you keep your prices low, more people will say yes. Or maybe you've been tinkering with packages or piling up on the certifications, waiting for the right moment to actually launch. But let's be real, that's not getting you paid. The real issue isn't your price point, it's not your package, it's your starting point. Think about it. Aiming for $10,000 months sounds exciting. But when you're just starting out, it feels like trying to climb Mount Everest in just a pair of flip-flops. And then when a goal feels out of reach, you just see a seemingly endless pile of work yet to be done. So you stop believing in it, you stop showing up, and you lose momentum. So instead of chasing a giant number that feels impossible, you need something concrete, something you can actually picture yourself accomplishing. That's where this simple 3-step approach comes in. It's not theory, it's math. And once you see it, you'll realize how doable this really is. So let's start with step 1. Define life-changing money. A national poll asked thousands of people, how much money would it take to change your life? And the average answer was a one-time lump sum of $19,000. Not millions, not 6 figures, just $19,000. Enough to pay off some debt, maybe take a trip, or just breathe a little easier. Now step 2, turning that into a monthly milestone. So if $19,000 changes your life, stretch it across a year, that's just $1,650 a month. That's it. That's the first milestone that proves your coaching business is real. Now let's go to step 3. Build a simple client model. And here's where it gets exciting. If you charge $250 a month for 2 sessions, you only need 7 clients. 7! That's $1,750 a month. You're already past the life-changing line. Now you might be thinking, Chris, even if I could get 7 clients, I don't have time to coach all of them. Well, the reality is 7 clients means 14 sessions a month. Each one is 30 minutes long. That's just 7 hours in total. That's less than 2 hours a week. And here's the coolest thing that most coaches don't really pick up on. Once a client enrolls, they usually stay for months, sometimes years. I've had clients stay for a decade. That means you don't have to keep starting over from scratch. You just maintain the coaching relationships that you've already built. So you're not always chasing new people endlessly. It's about enrolling once and then serving well so those clients keep coming back. That's why 7 clients is not only possible, it's sustainable. This works because it's believable and doable. Instead of chasing some massive number, you can focus on a simple milestone, 7 clients. And once you hit it, you've got proof. Proof that people will pay you. Proof that you can deliver. Proof that your business is real. I'll give you an example. Russ, a coach that I mentored, started with 0 clients. And within 60 days, he had 3 clients paying him $750 each. That's over $2,000 a month. Life-changing money in 2 months. And if Russ can do it, you can do it too. The math doesn't lie. So if you're serious about doing this, grab my 7 Clients in 7 Weeks plan. It takes everything we just talked about, walks you through in a clear step-by-step path. Who to talk to, how to set up discovery calls, exactly how to ask someone to enroll without feeling salesy. So instead of guessing or spinning your wheels, you'll know exactly what to do each week until you get that 7 client mark. It's simple and it saves you months of trial and error wondering if you're on the right path. If you want it, just drop me a line below. You don't need $10,000 months to change your life, at least not in the beginning. What you really need is a clear, realistic path to $19,000. With 7 clients, working just 2 hours a week, you can create life-changing income. and you can start sooner than you think.